The laundromat was bathed in a dim, flickering light as the tired machines hummed in unison. A handful of customers, weary from their day, busied themselves with their laundry, unaware of the looming darkness that enveloped the space. Rachel, a young woman in her 20s, sat alone in a corner, her eyes fixed on a book, seeking solace from the monotony of laundry day. The rhythmic sound of the spinning machines provided a backdrop to the quiet atmosphere. But as Rachel turned a page, a chill washed over her, causing her to look up in alarm. The air grew heavy, suffocating, and the fluorescent lights overhead buzzed with an unsettling intensity. An eerie silence descended upon the laundromat, as if time had frozen. Rachel's heart pounded in her chest as she observed the other patrons. Their movements were slowed, almost robotic, their faces devoid of expression. A shiver ran down her spine, and she realized she was trapped in a surreal, nightmarish reality. A low, distant whisper drifted through the air, barely audible yet insidious in its presence. Rachel strained to make out the words, feeling a mix of curiosity and dread. The whisper seemed to emanate from a small storage room in the back of the laundromat. Summoning her courage, Rachel cautiously approached the door to the storage room. With trembling hands, she turned the handle and pushed it open, revealing a darkness that seemed to swallow the light around her. Reluctantly, she stepped inside. The room was filled with shelves stacked high with cleaning supplies and forgotten items. As Rachel moved deeper into the darkness, the whisper grew louder, echoing through the empty space. It was a haunting melody that sent a shiver down her spine. Suddenly, a figure materialized from the shadows, its presence both ethereal and menacing. It was a woman in tattered clothes, her eyes vacant and hollow. She reached out a hand, her fingers like icy tendrils, beckoning Rachel closer. In a trance-like state, Rachel approached, unable to resist the pull of the mysterious woman. The whisper grew louder, its words now clear and ominous.
Join us.
The woman whispered.
Become one with the forgotten.
As the woman's fingers brushed against Rachel's skin, a surge of coldness rushed through her veins. Her body went limp, and she felt herself being pulled into the depths of the darkness, losing herself in a sea of forgotten souls. Time ceased to exist as Rachel became trapped in a twisted reality, forever bound to the laundromat's hidden depths. Her presence joined the chorus of whispers, a haunting symphony that echoed through the abandoned machines, forever sealing her fate. Outside the laundromat, oblivious customers continued their mundane routines, unaware of the dark secrets that lay hidden within the walls. The laundromat remained a place of trapped souls, a grim reminder that even the most ordinary places can become portals to a terrifying existence.